Welcome to the new branding colors for the free Divi Design School. I accomplished this big color change by using Global Colors, and that's what this video is about, how to do it. Before this instant color change was done, I assigned Global Colors. The site color was in the orange range, and now it's in the blue range. Let me show you. Be aware, the task can seem a bit confusing at first, perhaps a bit frustrating. I did edit those parts out of the video. If you experience issues, it's because the process is a little less than user-friendly, but well worth it. For example, as I implement the visual builder, some of the colors disappear. Like here. No clue why. They are there. Just want you to be aware of that when you're in edit mode. So, I'll show you the process in another module. Let's change the title on this one. It's currently set as a global color, which you can tell by the little arrow pointer on the color bar. Click on global and set the new color. I'll use this blue. When you go to save it, a pop-up will ask you if you're sure. You made changes to this global color. This will affect all instances of this color across your entire website. Do you want to proceed? Yes. I'll save and exit. You'll see the global color has been changed all at once. It's changed here, 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 these, and in the footer. That's how easy it is, and why you might want to assign those while you're first selecting your colors. Even if you're not sure, the items will remain that color. Quick changes. I'll quickly reset the original one. Okay, now that we're back to that color, let's go to the About page and do it again so you can see how it works site-wide. Edit. Let's change our story. Assign a new color, and automatically everything is purple. Save and exit. Let's go over to the home page. You can see all the colors I've changed throughout this page as well, and throughout the whole site, wherever you place that global color. On the contact page, you can see that it changed as well in the footer, which I also assigned. Going back to the About page, I'll reset the global color again. Yes, I'm sure. Exit, save and exit. It's also easy to change from a global color to a normal assigned color simply by clicking one of the default colors, like this. It is no longer global, and the new color is only applied to this one module. If you do change your global colors, there will still be other colors you'll need to manually change or adjust. Perhaps this bottom gradient, even though the top is a global color, the bottom isn't. Ideally, I would love to be able to change these default colors or save non-global colors so I could have other regularly used colors without them being global. You can add as many global colors as you want, just keep adding them, but not all need to be global. A couple of things to be aware of, at least until you get used to creating and using global colors. For example, it's pretty easy to miss a step and then wonder why it didn't work. I find global colors useful, if not a little frustrating, to get used to. Hope that helped. God bless.